Hello Tech Explorers! Today I'll be showing you how we program the blinking LED project on the Maker board. First, let's add the My Program block to initialize our project. Next, add the Configure Pin block to set up the LED connected to our Maker board. Be sure to select the correct pin number for the LED, and set its direction to output since the LED is an output device. Afterward, we'll create an infinite loop to keep the LED blinking continuously. Add an output pin block, select the correct pin number for the LED, and set its value to high to turn it on. Then, insert a time block to specify how long the LED should stay on. Next, add another output pin block, but this time set it to low to turn the LED off. Finally, insert another time block to define how long the LED should remain off. Our program is now complete. Let's name it, save it, compile it, and upload it to our Maker board.